Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I am going to share with you Happy Holi special DIY ideas. So before starting my video, wish you all Happy Holi in advance. Now I am using a matchbox and white page and glue. At first I am wrapping the matchbox using white page. I am using sky ink pen. Now I am using red watercolor. Now I am using green watercolor. I am using pink watercolor. I am using black ink pen to mark and highlight borders. Now I am putting red Holi color in it. I am using Sky ink pen. Guys, thank you for watching my video, and if you like my video, please like, share, subscribe my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get more videos.